All right, guys, we're here in San Mateo, keeping you updated about the house we're building over here. Just a little update from the last video. The driveway has been done. I want to take you over here really quick just to show you on the side of the house how we did the plumbing. This is going to be changed from the main. We're waiting for the city, the public works, to change the main pipe over there. It's going to be connected all the way over here. And take a look at this backflow. It's humongous, it's huge. This is for the fire sprinklers. It's connected over here. The customer put it over here because we're going to put a gate here. After we're going to replace the old gate, the old fence. And this is going to be the backflow. It's connected all the way to the house over there. You can come and take a look. It's right over here. It's all connected to the shut-off valve over here to the main, and this is the main water that goes into the house. Let's go inside and I'll show you what's going on, the progress. We already finished painting the entire house. We need to do some touch-up. On the top, we did the Ipe. Garage is almost done. The guys are working on the solar station over here. Come take a look. Because we have two systems of solar and two sub panels from the main that I showed you last time, the 400 amp. Over here, this is the opening for the roof. And let's go inside. I'll show you the progress here. Texture has been done. We just need to paint over here. Primer has been done. We just need to paint the entire kitchen, living room, dining room area, the all open concept. The cabinets of the kitchen are already been installed. The floor is almost done, hardwood floor. Over here, we're gonna have a TV area. Over here we have a utility room where you're gonna have a washer and dryer. You're gonna have a utility sink. And over there is a closet where we have all the internet cable, all the communication cable, telephone lines, everything is there. Going through the hallway, we're gonna have the air conditioning over here, the system. Going down to the crawl space, here we're gonna have a bathroom, a tub. The tile is already done, waiting for the vanity and the toilet to be installed. The toilet is gonna be over here. It's gonna be wall-mounted toilet of Toto. Bedroom is being painted. This is the kids' room, as you can tell by the color. It's a cute girl's room. We have here another girl's room to the left of it that it's been done, waiting for the closet door to be installed. And this is the master bedroom, where paint has been done, some touch-up is going on right now, closet door over here, and the master bathroom right inside. Let me take you inside and you can see you have the tiles all over the wall, already been done. We're waiting for some items to come so we can finish the wall and we can finish the bottom of the shower, and we're all gonna be done with that. I'll keep you posted soon.